Guys, welcome to another video. Today we are taking you around the Bubali Luxury Apartments. I don't think I'm saying that absolutely 100% correct. It might be the Bubali Luxury Apartments, but we're taking you around here today. These are a budget-friendly choice. They also have accessible rooms for those that need it. And there's a beautiful pool and 2-bedroom suites and 1-bedroom apartments. It's a great little place to stay. Let's take you around. This is one of the rooms out of the 4 that are available here. As you walk into the main room, you have the kitchen. So being a full stock kitchen here, you have full of cutlery. You also have a cabinet here full of pots, pans, frying pans, bowls, and stuff like that. Underneath the sink, you'll have a toaster, a blender on top of the counter. You got your kettle if you want to make tea. You have a coffee maker. We brought our little Keurig coffee maker as well. We take it everywhere we travel, as you know if you watch some of our other videos. Your microwave here, very, very powerful microwave. It's wonderful. And then over here you have your full-size fridge, and inside the fridge, as I said, they gave us a few sodas, some water, and in the freezer you also have a full bag of ice, some ice packs as well. Let you know also that they also supply dish soap and pods for the dishwasher, and they give you coins to operate the washer and dryer. They're really, really easy to use. Super nice units, very, very clean as well. Everything's been really, really clean here so far as we've seen. So the living room is fairly comfortable. You got 2 large chairs here, a little table, a little eating area on the side over there with a small TV on top. They also give you all the beach essentials that you'll need, including 2 beach chairs. They give you some pool noodles, they give you snorkel gear, and a huge cooler that we could take to the beach with us. Behind this door here, as you can see, is the in-room safe. You set your own code, that's all up to you. Don't forget your number or else you won't be able to get back in. The bedroom is actually quite large. Very, very comfortable with a king-size bed and television on the wall. There are cupboards here with hangers, an ironing board, and an iron. So beside the bed, there is a little lamp and outlets that you can use to plug in all your little devices if you like. They're also on the wall. They have the remote control for the air conditioning and the remote control for the TV, so you don't lose it. That's the one for the air conditioning. And then finally, we have the bathroom. It is really, really, really big. As you can see, you can hear by the echo. The ceilings are very, very tall in here as well. On the side here, you have your single sink with your soap dispenser. I love this little mirror that they have here. This is also a medicine cabinet with all our stuff in there, and another mirror on the inside, and another makeup mirror on the inside here as well. This is a great little thing because God knows at this counter, there's not much counter space on this sink. And then the shower, as you can see, is huge. Beautiful rainfall shower head. You also have your shampoo with conditioner, and you also have your shower gel on the wall as well, all by Aruba Aloe. Now this is our outdoor seating area. Yeah, it's not bad. I kind of like it. We're not in front of the pool. This room does not have the direct in front of the pool seating, but we have this, and it's actually showing on the other side here a beautiful view of some beautiful greenery. It is peaceful. Quite enjoy it actually. Now I gotta tell you, you know what? When you come on vacation, you don't tend to spend a lot of time in the room, but I gotta tell you, this place is very, very comfortable. The air conditioning has been wonderful. It almost feels like a second home, having the living room and the bedroom separate, and you're not cramped into one small room. So we quite enjoy that. But if we go through this door, we go to the pool area. Let's head out to the pool. So the pool area here is actually quite large for only 4 rooms available here. And this is an adults only resort. Everybody has their own beach chairs. Some of the rooms actually have tables and chairs right beside the pool. We have this little area right here, which is beautiful. The pool is actually the perfect depth if you want to just stand there, and it's about neck height. Really clean, and the water's not freezing cold. You have a seating area over here with a table. On the other side, you've got a little lounger area, and it's also got a ramp. Very nice pool, and again, totally quiet. If you're looking for something crazy, this is not the place for you. But if you're looking for somewhere to go and relax and get some great R&R, you might want to consider this place. It's actually really nice. Well, cooking is not on everybody's first priority while they're on vacation. This place offers you an outside grill. You can come here and make your bacon and eggs in the morning, or go to Superfood grocery store or one of the other grocery stores in the area and buy the meats that you like to grill up in the evening. And then if you like, come over here and you come to the outside dining area here and just have a sit down and have your meal. Really nice. Now the sun does get hot here, so maybe later on in the evening it'd be a better time to do that, obviously. This is huge. This gym is massive for such a small little complex. You've got your treadmills, you've got your bikes, you've got your weights. All you gotta do is come in here, the door is open, turn on the air conditioning for yourself, and you're ready to go. Welcome to apartment 1 here at the Bubali Luxury Apartments. This is one of the 2-bedroom suites. There is a bedroom with an ensuite, and the other bedroom actually has a sink in there as well. That's where you're gonna find the safe in the bedroom closet. There is also a second bathroom in the main living room area. This is lots and lots of space. The kitchen offers all the amenities and utensils that you will need, including pots and pans and blenders and toasters and cutlery and everything else that you would need. There is a microwave, a dishwasher, a stovetop, and an oven, along with a full-size fridge. For those of you that want to go to the beach, there are beach chairs, pool noodles. There is a cooler here, and in the cooler, you are going to find all your snorkel gear and flippers that you need for the beach. And as you can see, this is Salsa. Hi, Salsa.